Welcome to Health Journey. We're so glad you're here. If you're new to our channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health tips and wellness advice. In today's video, we're going to discuss an incredibly important topic: the foods that silently kill your liver. Understanding these can help you make better choices to protect this vital organ. Your liver is a powerhouse within your body. It's responsible for performing over 500 essential functions, including detoxifying harmful substances, storing vitamins and minerals, and aiding in digestion. Despite its resilience, the liver can be damaged by certain foods without you even realizing it. Let's dive into the 7 foods you should be wary of to keep your liver in optimal condition. 1. Sugar. High sugar intake, particularly from sugary drinks and snacks, can lead to fat accumulation in the liver. This can eventually cause non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, a condition that can seriously impair liver function. To safeguard your liver, try to limit your consumption of sodas, candies, and processed foods loaded with added sugars. Instead, focus on natural sources of sweetness like fruits. 2. Fried food. Foods that are fried are often laden with unhealthy fats and excessive calories. Regular consumption of fried items like French fries, fried chicken, and donuts can contribute to weight gain and liver inflammation. Opt for healthier cooking methods such as baking, grilling, or steaming to enjoy your favorite foods without harming your liver. 3. Alcohol. It's well known, but worth repeating. Excessive alcohol consumption can wreak havoc on your liver. Drinking too much alcohol can lead to a range of liver diseases, including fatty liver, alcoholic hepatitis, and cirrhosis. Practicing moderation is crucial. Try to stick to recommended guidelines and give your liver regular alcohol-free days. 4. Salt. Consuming too much salt can contribute to liver damage over time. High sodium levels are often found in processed foods, canned soups, and fast food. These can increase blood pressure and strain your liver. Instead, use herbs, spices, and natural seasonings to flavor your meals without the added salt. 5. White bread, rice, and pasta. Refined carbohydrates like white bread, white rice, and pasta can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to fat buildup in the liver. To keep your liver healthy, choose whole grains such as brown rice, whole wheat bread, and quinoa. These alternatives provide more nutrients and help maintain steady blood sugar levels. 6. Red meat. While red meat can be a good source of protein, it is also high in saturated fats, which can overburden your liver. Limit your intake of red meat and incorporate more plant-based proteins such as beans, lentils, and tofu into your diet. This switch not only benefits your liver, but also contributes to overall heart health. 7. Trans fats. Found in many packaged baked goods, margarine, and fast foods, trans fats are particularly harmful to the liver. They can cause inflammation and lead to fat accumulation. Always read food labels carefully and avoid products that list partially hydrogenated oils among their ingredients. By being mindful of these foods, you can take significant steps toward maintaining a healthy liver. Your liver is essential for your overall health and well-being, so it's crucial to support it through balanced eating habits and a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to Health Journey for more valuable health tips and insights. Until next time, stay healthy and take care of your liver.